Respected Sri Narendra Kothari Sir, CMD NMDC, respected Sri Surendra Mohan Ji, CMD Naval Ignite, Sri Rao Sir, Arijit Bagchi Sir, President MEI, Rajan Kumar, Secretary MEI Hyderabad Chapter, dignitaries in the audience, Mr. P.R. Tripathi Sir, T.V. Chaudhary Sir, Sarangi Sir, Victor Sir, and many other dignitaries who has come from many other places for today's program. I welcome you to all to this seminar organized by Hyderabad chapter of MEI, Mineral Industry in India, essential for growth. We all know that mineral is one thing that is the driver for all economy of the country. In the beginning, I will say NMDC in this year has got two new things. The permanent CMD of NMDC has joined, Sri Narendra Kothari Ji. I welcome him to this family of Mining Engineer Association of India at Hyderabad. We all know that the progress of Mining Engineering Association at Hyderabad, lot of depends upon the activities supported by NMDC. I hope Narendra Kothari Sahab will support us in all our activities. And NMDC this year has crossed 30 million ton production target of iron ore. This is a milestone for NMDC because previously NMDC was never crossed a 30 million ton milestone. Friends, we all know that with us, the CMD of Naval Ignite, Surendra Mohan Ji is with us. I thank you, sir, for immediately agreeing to be our special guest. And today NMDC is also having a collaboration with Naval Ignite. Naval Ignite is a producer of power, and we in NMDC we are producer of iron ore, and lignite and iron ore that can be combined, and if iron ore can be reduced by lignite, then it can produce some nugget like products which can be used for sponge iron. And we have very active collaboration with Naveli and a active patented item in Australia, and our R&D is taking up very seriously this subject, and we are going to have a lot of research work on this, and probably this month our team will be going to Australia for further collaboration. I welcome you, sir, and I also thank you for your active support to this cause. And Mr. Arijit Bagchi, who is known to all of us as the president of MEI, and after his joining as MEI, he has brought tremendous growth, and the face of MEI has gone up. Many press conferences, many media news articles are getting published in the newspaper, and I hope under his able guidance, MEI will definitely grow into larger heights. And Rao Saab, everybody knows him, and he is a stalwart in mining industry. On this today's seminar, which is titled as Mineral Industry in India and Essential for Growth. Friends, we know that the contribution of mineral industry to the GDP in case of mining is 1.6 to 2.2%. But in last so many years, it has got a lot of biting, and there is negative growth, and probably in the coming years this will improve. And you all know that a saying is said, after every storm there will be a rainbow, and probably the rainbow days of mining industry is coming up. And we all are mining engineers, and not only mining engineers, all engineers related to mining activity. If we work together, if we work, present our work to the society, to the policy makers in a proper way, the policy will change, it will be congenial to us. And today there is a new government, and new government, as we have seen already, the new government is very active, and they have taken up steps so that there will be lot of speed in the work, and probably the elements of mining industry like clearances of forest clearances, land acquisition, all this will gradually be smoothened up, and the mining industry will see a new light. And in this context, I again welcome you all, and I wish that in this 2 days seminar, the paper presenters and the authors and the stalwarts of mining industry will interact with each other, and a proper recommendation will come up at the end of 2 days. This will help mining industry. Thank you very much.